How to use Airtable for customer relation management. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use Airtable for customer relationship management. Using Airtable for customer relationship management involves customizing your database to track and manage customer interaction and data. So what do you do first? The first thing is to log in into your Airtable account, and then the second thing is to review Airtable's pre-made template. Okay, so you can just take out template that has CRM, and to do that, move to the right side of the screen, click on start a template, then go ahead and click on explore more template, and you can just search for templates by clicking on CRM. All right, so you can see the different kind of CRM. You can see the sales CRM, simple sales CRM, customer development, etc. In this video, I'll be clicking on customer development. So after clicking on that, you can see that's showing loading, so just wait patiently for it to load. So if you're satisfied with this, click on try this template, and then the template would be created. So wait patiently for it to load. Once it has loaded, you can see the different options or the different things being displayed on this page, and then you can see name, you can see email, you can see. So the next step here is to just go ahead and edit this to suit or fit your needs. So yeah, you can just gather the sales information and then compile the contact information for leads, for prospects and customers, and then include them here. Then the next step is to organize your customer data, such as the email, the personnel. Just ensure you do that. Then you can also customize your views by moving to the left side of the screen, where you can see different kind of views. Ensure you select the one that you want. Then you can set up automation to automate repetitive tasks, such as follow-ups. All right, to make things very easier for you. Follow-ups, data entries, and alerts to streamline your CRM process. And how do you do this? By going to the top part of the screen, next to the data tab, click on automations, and then you will be brought to the automations page. Here you can just decide to um, select any of this trigger if you find any there, or you can decide on to add a trigger, set up your automation, and then you are good to go. And lastly, the next to do is to collaborate. Yeah, you cannot do this alone. You have to collaborate with other team members, and to do that, move to the top right side of the screen where you can see some icons, and then click on the share icon, and then the box displayed. You can invite people, you can invite your collaborators through email or through link, or by sharing your base publicly. So once they accept the invite, there will be collaborators and there will be your team members, such that you can now assign tasks to them. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can use Airtable for customer relationship management. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.